On the surface, it seems logical. If members of Congress pass a law, they should be legally bound to obey it as well.
I believe that if it applies to the citizens of America, then it should apply to the representatives in Congress.
Yet the reality is there have been numerous laws in U.S. history passed by Congress that members are actually exempt from following. It's something many Americans don't even know about.
If it's not directly affecting their wallets or their time, they just don't really care.
Congress is exempt from portions of the 1964 Civil Rights Act, the Freedom of Information Act, the requirement to post workers' rights in offices, even whistleblower laws.
Nobody should be above the law. That's a bedmark and a benchmark, I think, of the American political system.
Peter Schweitzer with the Government Accountability Institute believes it's unconscionable that some of the laws Congress passes don't even apply to its members.
I think the bottom line is that if there is a law or if there is a provision that members of Congress and our political leaders feel it's important for us to comply with, they should comply with it themselves.
The Congressional Accountability Act of 1995 made members follow more of the laws they pass. But some critics argue even that measure wasn't enough.
There's a long history of Congress exempting itself from regulations.
F. Michael Higginbotham says there could be legitimate reasons for exempting Congress from certain laws, such as maintaining a balance of power between the branches of government or even national security.
Congress needs to be protected from encroachments by other branches, such as the executive branch.
Legal analysts argue, however, if Congress exempts itself from a law, the American people certainly have a right to know why.
What Congress needs to do is that, one, they need to make sure that they're transparent. They need to be clear about when they're not going to be required to follow certain laws.
And scholars urge citizens to be informed about the law and, of course, their lawmakers.